Clearly, women are not trustworthy. So don't invest in a one relationship. Don't focus on one woman. You need to take many women to avoid a heartbreak. This is from our DSL. TV3 mentor season 10 winner. DSL and I did in same way by. Na the nti odi in same way nyina ba ye. Wohwe enyoma ekoso relationship ma. Wotimi say be ma timi do ba pa. Enso later no you go see say woman no ebeja be ma no. In same way ensem a ekoso social media hankofo ankasa. Na DSL wotimi say DSL na so wa family mu da or send a life assassin no ofisi a lot or baby club or fan no crown pono later who's who ni sika no uja no wahu this na DSL dey same we be to just say sadia we be ma dia chale don't focus on one woman and don't invest in a one relationship. You need to take many women to avoid a heartbreaks. Now even DSL can say be say the be ma dia on advice ni say on fa oba ba ko pe so fa oba bebre say the be ya oba bia na obetimi ama na broken heart insem bebre na DSL e to dwa na utimi say wa fa nyomam e wo relationship mu into ono say on trauma ne ba enso ba me face sa trouble no into na odi sa insem wi ababe to dwa no insem bebre a lot of people so react with this trending insem o kan ye. This is what a DSL said when he was speaking. I will not advise my son to keep to one woman because of heartbreaks. Mentor season 10 winner DSL says. Reggae and dancehall artist Lawrence Senyor Adiase, popularly known as DSL, has stated that he would not advise his future son to commit to just one woman due to the heartbreaks and emotional struggles that often come with relationships. According to a mentor season 10 winner, he has witnessed the devastating effect of love on people, including mental breakdown and in extreme cases, loss of life. Based on this experience, he believes it is unrealistic to expect men to stay with only one woman. If I have a son, based on what I have seen and experienced in relationship, the heartbreaks, the mental breakdown, even cases where people have lost their lives over love, I will never tell him, Kwame, Kwesi, Kofi, one woman is enough for you. No, one woman is not enough for him, he said on a podcast hosted by Zenith Isaac. DSL explained that people who dedicate themselves entirely to one partner often end up emotional breakdown. When you put your whole heart and mind into one person, they don't always value it. You can sacrifice everything for them, thinking you are building something meaningful, only to be left heartbroken in the end. He added, he, however, clarified that his position was not an endorsement of promiscuity, but a call for emotional caution in relationships. I am not saying people should just go around sleeping with multiple partners. That is not my point. But based on what I have seen and experienced, I wouldn't advise anyone to invest everything in just one relationship. It is dangerous emotionally, he explained. His comment has sparked a mixed reaction, with some supporting his view, while others argue that true love requires trust and commitment. If it were to be you go support them, because me say I go support, because one woman investing your or everything in one woman, it is very dangerous. One day you go sit there, you go see say you go the girl the woman go come, it will tell you say let's divorce. At that time to know open the pan and so time no wow bubu akoma ma broken heart I be shoe ya nkasa. Even if you check your players or ma wale a lot of things from face so am broken heart or person do a japadi no have or person do a japadi ni nyina hwede to aircraft hakim on yire hiba a book ne yire no akoka kire aircraft hakim say ɛyɛ ontimi enwale biem na ontimi enwale biem no that means ɔde gyina so de agyina japadeɛ no bebree nanso ɔkɔhwɛɛyɛ no na ɛyɛ most of properties na ɛyɛ ne dea no ne nyinaa wɔ ne maame din ɛna ɛyɛ small one na ɛsɛ small one bi pɛ ɛna ɛna ɛwɔ ɔno ne din that means small one no mom bi na obenya ɛyɛ kyɛfa wom wɔn sɛ nka wɔamfa adwen a nka hwɛ deɛ ɛyɛ ne yere habi a book ɛde yɛ no wɔn ɔba that means ɔba is not trustworthy it is ɛyɛ DSL ɛka nsɛm wei sɛ ɔno ne babarima deɛ ɔngyae ɛma ɔnkɔwale one woman ɔngyae ma ɔntaki one woman deɛ ɛno writing because women always are wicked, some are good. By woman dear, don't trust woman because one day will be we because of woman, will be a boredom because of woman, will be a basane because of woman. So take care of yourself. Dear son, some more Kenyan, please, if my content help you with a great gist, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and also follow me on all social at Central Austin.